In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Adobe Scan Cloud storage usage, manage and delete files. If your Adobe Scan storage is filling up, a quick cleanup on the web is the most reliable way to free space across all your devices. I'll walk you through the exact path so nothing gets missed. Start by opening your browser and heading to acrobat.adobe.com. This is Adobe's official web portal for managing files stored in the cloud, including anything you captured with Adobe Scan. When you arrive, sign in with the same Adobe ID you use in the Adobe Scan app. Using the same account is important because it ensures you're looking at the same set of files that the mobile app is syncing. Once you're signed in, look for Documents, then choose your documents. This view shows all PDFs stored in Adobe's cloud for your account, including files created or uploaded by Adobe Scan. Think of this as your central library. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar or switch sorting to find what you need faster. Sorting by size can be helpful if your goal is to free up the most space quickly. Next, browse the list and locate the file you want to remove. Hover over that file and look for the More Options icon, the 3 vertical dots. Click that to open the menu. From the options that appear, choose Delete. You may be asked to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to proceed. Deleting here removes the file from Adobe's cloud storage, which means it will also no longer appear in Adobe Scan on your phone or tablet once the app syncs. This is how you actually reclaim cloud space. Repeat the same process for any additional files you no longer need. If you're unsure about a particular document, it can help to check its name, date, or thumbnail to make sure you're removing the right one. Some accounts may show a trash or deleted section after removal. Just be aware that permanent deletion is what ultimately frees space, and the interface may prompt you accordingly. A few quick tips as you tidy up. Focus first on large scans or duplicates to get the biggest impact, and keep your naming consistent so files are easier to identify later. If the interface looks slightly different, the key elements are still the same: Documents, Your Documents, the 3-dot menu, and Delete. That's all there is to it. By managing your files directly on Acrobat on the web and deleting what you no longer need, you keep your Adobe Scan Cloud storage lean, organized, and ready for what matters.